Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 12th, 2023. So far, everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the what's happening around the lower 48 and also that little tropical future you see swirling around down there over Louisiana. We're going to be talking about that on the GFS model and the European model. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar so you can get a look at the live data from the radar view across the nation and also from that system. Also, we're going to take a look at the watch and warning advisories. And like I said earlier, we will take a look at the European and the GFS computer model run on this here system here coming up for today and through Friday. Okay, let's go ahead and hop on into the forecast now. As you can see, here's that little developing low pressure system down in the Gulf. It's the kind of moved over and up. High pressure pretty much dominating much of the central United States and portions of the mid-Atlantic. Have a little clipper system moving through you all this region up into portions of the northeastern United States. And also over here in the upper Midwest, with a little system dropping into the area. This looks to be the next future to bring some severe weather over Texas and spread eastward through the weekend into early next week. I will have more details on that tonight's forecast, but right now I'm just going to be mainly focused on the little tropical system here in the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, let's see. We're going to take a look at the radar view. Sorry about the pop-ups. But anyway, we're going to take a look at the radar view. We got some scattered activity across portions of the northeastern United States, across New York and portions of New Hampshire. Also off into the Atlantic, southern Canada. We have snow and rain over here in the Pacific Northwest from Montana back into Washington State and Oregon, and also into Utah. Also, here's that developing low pressure system in the Gulf with all the precipitation. It's going to bring a lot of precipitation to the southeastern United States and the south as well as the system continues to push off to the northeast. I do see severe weather later today across portions of the planet with my mouth, but I will have more on that tonight. But I just want to mention that. Would not be surprised to see an a slight risk may be added to portions of Alabama and Georgia and Florida, and for that marginal outlook for your Thursday. And they have not got nothing for Friday yet, but I would not be surprised to see a marginal risk maybe over the Carolinas and Georgia once again for your Friday. Alright, snow showers over Alaska, rain showers in the Gulf of Alaska. We have some rain showers flying over here around the Hawaiian chain islands, and also some rain showers around Guam as well. Alright, let's move on to the watches, warning, and advisory maps. As you can see, we got a big real estate of fire weather issues. Red flag warnings extending all the way from portion of Boston to New York through Pennsylvania, portion of West Virginia. I can't even talk. Sorry about that. West Virginia, Virginia, also over toward Michigan, back toward Wisconsin, all the way into Illinois, all the way back into portion of Arizona. This includes Colorado, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa as well. Special weather statement over Georgia for some possible fire weather problem there. Some flooding issues along the Gulf Coast. Also, we have some hydro issues extending from portions of the Great Lakes all the way back into portions of Oregon State. This includes Idaho, Wyoming, and also portions of North Dakota and portions of Minnesota. And also have some flood advisories also for portions of Wisconsin and Minnesota. Some flood warnings in effect from North Dakota, and also some flood advisories over portions of northern Montana with some winter weather advisories and winter storm warning over Montana and Utah. Idaho. We got some avalanche warnings over Utah and some flash flood watches over Nevada. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the GFS model run. This is for the GFS. This is for that little tropical feature that I've been talking about in the forecast. You can see it down here spinning in the Gulf of Mexico. Let's put this model into motion. Let's see, we go to 8 a.m. On Thursday morning. That thing has made landfall around Alabama, Mississippi border, bringing some heavy rain over a portion of southern Mississippi and a portion of Louisiana through that time period. Also rain extending all the way into Florida and the Bahamas. As this system will continue to lift off to the northeast, the heaviest precipitation looks to remain offshore, but cannot rule out some pockets of heavy rain inland as well. And this is across the Carolinas. This would be at 8 a.m. on the 14th. This is Friday morning. It should be raining. Then it's going to continue to rain most of the day into by 2 p.m. Saturday. The rain should be out of here. Be moving on into the mid-Atlantic region. Got another little system developing in the Gulf of Mexico. Got a cold front moving to the east. And that's far as that model run takes it. But like I say, that's why they got the severe weather outlook for over here. And also I think they added one over here. But like I said, I'll have more in that tonight's forecast. Alright, now let's take a look at the European model. As you can see, I started off at 2 p.m. on April the 12th. That's this afternoon. That system make landfall about the same location around the Mississippi, Louisiana border, Alabama area. But the European brings a little bit of precipitation in here a little earlier. This would be at 2 p.m. On your Thursday, bringing some precipitation around the central Savannah River area and down in the low country of South Carolina. Also still raining in Florida and offshore toward the Bahamas. Also back toward Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, getting in on that rainfall as we continue to go forward. There we go. We got it now. Okay, on the 13th, still got rain moving in. There we go. That system still moving across Alabama. Still bringing lots of rain to the area for your Friday across the southeastern United States. And it kind of fares off for Saturday, man, before that cold front moves in around Sunday and early Monday. Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. There was a few little glitches in it, but it happens every now and then. But anyway, I hope everybody has a great day. Consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one. And enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.